how to fix this pink line without opening its hardware. Believe me guys, it's totally genuine video. I'm not going to talk any bullshit. I'm simply going to fix this pink line without opening its hardware. So how can we do that? It's very easy. Let me tell you one concept. Here you can see when I apply a pressure here, when I press it here, then line fades. Okay, so we are going to attach something here to tighten it, and then of course line will fade. So there are so many things at your home available. You can find, just like here I can use such things to fix this pink line. So let me use this clip. Okay, so don't worry about this. You can use any clip that can apply pressure here, that can be fixed here. So here you can see I simply open it, and the line fades. So basically you can use any kind of clip here, any kind of pin, any kind of pin. So you can use anything, you can attach anything here that continuously apply pressures here. So I have used this pin. There are so many fancy clips available on the internet you can buy. So that's how, without opening its hardware, you can easily fix this. So thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.